Self-seeding perennial plants are a wonderful addition to any garden because they return year after year and naturally produce new seedlings. With minimal effort, they create colorful, wildlife-friendly displays while reducing the need for replanting. These resilient plants help fill garden spaces, attract pollinators, and make gardening easier and more sustainable. Let's get started with these plants. Purple coneflower, Echinacea purpurea. Purple coneflower is a hardy, self-seeding perennial loved for its bright purple petals and prominent orange-brown cone. Blooming from summer to early autumn, it attracts bees, butterflies, and other beneficial pollinators, making it an excellent choice for wildlife-friendly gardens. This drought-tolerant plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, requiring very little maintenance once established. As the flowers mature, they produce seeds that naturally fall to the ground, creating new plants each year. Its long-lasting blooms also make beautiful cut flowers, adding vibrant color and charm to borders, cottage gardens, and containers. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia hirta. Black-eyed Susan lights up the garden with its sunny yellow blooms and rich, chocolate-colored center. One of its most impressive qualities is its ability to spread naturally by dropping seeds after flowering, rewarding gardeners with fresh blooms every year. This tough plant tolerates heat, poor soil, and dry weather, making it perfect for beginners. It flowers for months, providing a reliable nectar source for bees and butterflies while adding vibrant color to garden beds and borders. With almost no effort, it creates a bright, natural display that returns season after season. Blanket flower, Gaillardia aristata. If you are looking for a flower that never seems to stop blooming, blanket flower is an excellent choice. Its fiery red and golden yellow blossoms create a bold splash of color from summer well into autumn. As the flowers fade, they release seeds that settle into the soil and often grow into new plants without any help. This sun-loving perennial thrives in poor, sandy soil and handles drought with ease. Whether planted in borders, rock gardens, or wildflower beds, blanket flower brings lasting color, attracts pollinators, and naturally expands its display year after year. Bee balm, Monarda diadema. Bee balm is a fragrant perennial that transforms any garden into a pollinator paradise. Its vibrant red, pink, purple, or white blooms are irresistible to bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds throughout the summer. Beyond its stunning flowers, bee balm naturally spreads by self-seeding, creating colorful drifts year after year. It grows best in full sun to partial shade with moist, well-drained soil. The aromatic leaves have a pleasant minty scent and can even be used to make herbal tea. Bee balm is a beautiful, easy-care plant that adds life, color, and movement to any garden. Shasta daisy, Leucanthemum superbum. Shasta daisy is a timeless garden favorite, admired for its crisp white petals and sunny yellow centers. Blooming from early to late summer, it brings a fresh, elegant look to flower beds and borders. After the blossoms fade, many flowers produce seeds that can sprout naturally, creating new plants in the following season. This hardy perennial thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, requiring little maintenance once established. Its long-lasting blooms are also excellent for bouquets, making Shasta daisy a perfect choice for gardeners who love both natural beauty and effortless growth. Foxglove, Digitalis purpurea. Foxglove brings dramatic height and elegance to the garden with its tall spikes of bell-shaped flowers in shades of purple, pink, white, and cream. Blooming in late spring and early summer, its nectar-rich blossoms are a favorite of bees, especially bumblebees. Once flowering is complete, the plant releases thousands of tiny seeds that easily settle into the soil, allowing new foxgloves to appear in unexpected places each year. It grows best in partial shade and fertile, well-drained soil. With its graceful appearance and natural ability to reseed, foxglove creates a charming cottage garden display that returns season after season. Lupine, Lupinus polyphyllus. Lupine is celebrated for its tall, colorful flower spikes that bloom in shades of blue, purple, pink, white, and yellow. These striking blossoms create a bold vertical accent and attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial pollinators throughout late spring and early summer. After flowering, the seed pods mature and burst open, scattering seeds that often grow into new plants the following season. Lupines also enrich the soil by naturally fixing nitrogen, helping nearby plants thrive. Growing best in full sun and well-drained soil, this self-seeding perennial adds lasting beauty, biodiversity, and natural charm to any garden. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Yarrow is a tough and dependable perennial known for its flat clusters of tiny flowers that bloom in shades of white, yellow, pink, or red. Its fern-like foliage adds texture, while the long-lasting blooms brighten the garden from early summer through fall. As the flowers mature, they produce seeds that naturally spread, allowing new plants to emerge with little effort. Yarrow is exceptionally drought-tolerant and thrives in full sun, making it perfect for low-maintenance landscapes. It also attracts butterflies and beneficial insects, creating a healthy, vibrant garden that grows more beautiful with each passing season. Coreopsis, Coreopsis lanceolata. Coreopsis is a cheerful perennial that fills the garden with bright golden yellow flowers for months. Its sunny blooms sway gently in the breeze, creating a lively display while attracting butterflies, bees, and other pollinators. After flowering, the plant drops plenty of seeds that readily germinate, producing fresh plants without extra work. It flourishes in full sun and well-drained soil, tolerating heat, drought, and poor conditions with ease. Whether planted in borders, wildflower gardens, or meadows, Coreopsis brings effortless color and natural beauty that returns year after year. Sweet William, Dianthus barbatus. Sweet William stands out with its tightly packed flower clusters that resemble colorful little bouquets. Available in rich shades of crimson, pink, white, and purple, it brings a classic cottage garden charm wherever it grows. As the blooms complete their life cycle, they release tiny seeds that settle into the soil and often sprout naturally the following season. This compact perennial enjoys sunny locations and rewards gardeners with weeks of vibrant color and a light, spicy fragrance. Perfect for borders, pathways, and containers, Sweet William gradually creates a fuller, more colorful garden with very little effort. Japanese anemone, Anemone hupensis. When summer flowers begin to fade, Japanese anemone takes center stage with its delicate blooms that brighten the garden well into autumn. Its tall, wiry stems gently sway in the breeze, creating a soft, elegant display that adds movement and charm. Over time, mature flowers produce seeds that may settle nearby and develop into young plants, gradually expanding the display. This shade-loving perennial thrives in cool, moist soil and requires very little maintenance once established. With its late-season blooms and natural self-seeding habit, Japanese anemone keeps the garden alive with color when it is needed most. Hollyhock, Alsia rosea. Hollyhock is famous for its towering flower spikes that can transform an ordinary garden into a colorful, storybook scene. Its large blooms appear one after another from the bottom of the stem to the top, providing weeks of spectacular color. When the flowering season ends, the seed heads dry naturally and release plenty of seeds, allowing new hollyhocks to emerge the following year. This sun-loving perennial grows best in fertile, well-drained soil and makes a stunning backdrop for borders, fences, and cottage gardens. With its impressive height and effortless self-seeding habit, hollyhock brings lasting beauty to the landscape. Hellebore, Helleborus orientalis. Hellebore, often called the Lenten rose, is a remarkable perennial that blooms when most gardens are still quiet. Its elegant, cup-shaped flowers appear from late winter to early spring in shades of white, pink, burgundy, purple, and green, bringing welcome color during the coldest months. As the blooms mature, they develop seed pods that gently scatter seeds nearby, allowing new plants to establish naturally over time. Hellebore thrives in partial to full shade and rich, well-drained soil, making it ideal for woodland gardens. With its evergreen foliage, early blooms, and self-seeding nature, it provides beauty throughout the year. Columbine, Aquilegia vulgaris, is a woodland treasure that brings a touch of elegance to spring gardens with its unusual star-shaped flowers and graceful nodding blooms. Each flower features distinctive nectar spurs that make it especially attractive to hummingbirds and long-tongued bees. As the season ends, slender seed pods ripen and release tiny seeds that settle into the soil, often surprising gardeners with new plants in fresh locations the following year. Growing happily in partial shade and cool, well-drained soil, Columbine blends beautifully with ferns and other woodland plants, creating a natural, ever-changing garden display. Garden phlox, Phlox paniculata. Garden phlox fills the summer garden with large, fragrant clusters of flowers that bloom in shades of pink, purple, white, red, and lavender. Its sweet scent attracts butterflies, hummingbirds, and bees, turning the garden into a lively pollinator heaven. After the blooming season, the flowers develop seed capsules that can release seeds and produce new seedlings naturally. This hardy perennial thrives in full sun with fertile, well-drained soil and rewards gardeners with weeks of vibrant color. Ideal for borders, cottage gardens, and cutting gardens, garden phlox creates a lush, colorful display that becomes more beautiful with each passing year.